Hey everyone, it's me Faisal Jaman, and today's video will be how to create Namecheap SSL because I made a video about how to activate your Namecheap SSL. The previous video was that, and I found a problem if I click this Namecheap SSL option. So over here, here you have to log in your cPanel account. The video was I have login cPanel account and just clicking this Namecheap SSL. After clicking this page, and it will redirect to this interface, and here has a step. That step was the login your Namecheap account over here, and it will redirect to this page actually. Okay, and that the previous video was actually here I have clicking install Namecheap SSL, and here I have turn on the SSL certificate, and that was this. Okay, so if you face this issue, that is your SSL certificate in progress and HTTPS redirection is pending, and actually I faced this issue. So in order to do, right now, as you can see, this status is activate. So how I can activate this process, and the all process I will share right now. And in order to do, you will just open your directly actually Namecheap account. Here is the Namecheap account, and in this Namecheap account you will just go to your domain list and click manage. And now here, as you can see, this is a name server. So this name server is the most important. If you just you already selected this one, Namecheap basic DNS, you just select Namecheap web hosting DNS, and it will take 48 hours, but 5 or 10 minutes it will activate it. So you will get notification message on your Gmail, and as you can see, it will take 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, 10 or 15 minutes it will automatically activate your named cPanel SSL certificate. Okay, as you can see, this is the primary domain. This icon is locked. That means SSL certificate is activate. Now you can do anything, and now you can install your WordPress. Now you can do anything. Just do it step by step. This video is very short video, and I think this video is very helpful. So if you found this video is helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you wanna buy a Namecheap domain and hosting, you just go to my YouTube video description link. You will get a Namecheap affiliate link. You just go through this page, and you will get bonus, and sometime it will get actually sometime you will get bonus. Okay, so please you just use my referral link for purchasing Namecheap domain and hosting. So I think if you found this video is very helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment below. So thank you very much.